know, it's almost lunchtime now, but from Typhoon Lagoon here at Disney. So as we told you guys, we decided to extend our stay at the campground a couple of days.
So nice.
So today was the day we were supposed to head home, but now is officially check-in day. So on check-in day, you can get into Typhoon Lagoon for free use it. So, which is pretty cool. So we decided, since we didn't use it on the first check-in, our second check-in, we will use it and kind of go see what it's all about. It's only open from 10 to 5. So it is about noon now. So about 5 hours to enjoy, which is plenty. Beautiful sunny day, 80 degrees. Tomorrow it's gonna cool down. So great day for us to get to use this park. Do be aware, if you are coming from the campground, you have to take the shuttle to Disney Springs, which is about 30 minutes, then go back through security, hop on the bus to Typhoon Lagoon. Once you get to Disney Springs and get through all that, there's several buses going to Typhoon Lagoon, and it's quick, but plan for an hour to get over there.
Yeah, just almost an hour one way. It's quite a bit. I also will say, for the campers that are coming in and you don't do like we do, where we have a check-in break and we're already parked, and so normally you can't check in until 3 to the campsite, but you still have access to this. I do see campers in the parking lot that are just parked, so if you don't have critters or anyone you need to worry about, or if you have a generator or whatever, it looks like you can park here before you check in at the campground and still come use the facilities. So it's really cool to be able to have that.
So there's a little hack for you.
Oh, look at all the beautiful trees. And that was easy, guys. We just scanned our bag. We didn't do nothing extra. Didn't have to tell them about a reservation, nothing. We just got on in there.
It linked everything there for us, so easy peasy. We just, or like I said, they did it for us, linked our other 2 reservations together. Still considered it check-in day, so we got to get in here and save like another $160.
Yeah, I'll say. No, they got it. Don't worry. It's just.
Yeah, they already got. They got it.
Hey, since the storm is over, the coast is clear. So come and see the view from here, pointing this way. Maybe it's like an overlook or something.
Maybe it's like at the surf pool.
Oh, look at that!
Oh, that's cool.
That is a cool wave pool. Whoa. Man, I'm glad we came.
Yeah, me too.
Look at that.
That's legit.
Oh my gosh, you get to come into this view? That is so crazy. Oh man, it is so lush. So it seems like all the theming, we didn't look anything up about this, totally blind to this, but it's like a shipwreck, and there's a giant wave pool in the middle of it, and slides, and they got all this decor of boats
like the hurricane came through and it's over, and now it's a beautiful sunny day.
Yeah, this is really, really cool.
They
This
probably
is way
sell
better than I
flip-flops
expected.
here, babe, if you need them.
Hey, I'm probably gonna have to get some. I don't have flip-flops. I didn't plan on coming to the water park.
Oh, this looks so fun.
Oh, lazy river. That's so cool, look at that.
Oh, look, the boat's spraying water right now.
That is so cool. That's a big wave pool. Oh, you hear it making noises?
It was shooting water out a second ago. And
oh, it's like a sandy beach down here.
Oh, wow.
It's legit sand.
That's cool.
This is super cool, guys. All right, we found us some seats here, just right across from the wave pool. As you can see, it is just right here. There she is in all her glory. And then Jessica was able to snag us a couple loungers just right here in the sun, so we can enjoy that.
Yep, ready to go ride some water slides. We'll see how cold the water is. They say it's heated, but
it don't seem too bad. It's pretty warm today.
There's no clouds. If there was clouds, you'd probably be cold down. The full sun. Like I said, we got 3 or 4 hours. We're gonna go see what kind of action.
I'd say this place is really cool.
Yeah.
One of my favorite water parks already, and I ain't been to ride there.
Yeah.
It's so cool. Oh, here it comes. Look at that wave. Oh my gosh. So crazy, it's huge. All right, we're in the cave.
We're in the grotto. Which way are we headed to?
To raft slides. I don't know what they are, but they said the raft slides, so that's where we're headed to.
We'll find the name of it here in a second.
It does. It's a family raft slide. It's the Gangplank Falls. That's the raft we're gonna be in right there.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Shaped like Mickey ears.
We'll give it a shot.
Oh, are we gonna be cold?
Probably. Here we go.
5 minutes to this place.
But just check out these views you get from just going to the rides. Look at everyone going crazy on the wave. That is so gnarly.
That's a huge wave.
Yeah, it's a beast.
It's like usually just one massive like.
It goes like every 5 minutes and people just get to go, and it's crazy.
down at the bottom to the right. Please exit the stairs. Be careful on this one.
Rolling.
That's cool. I think this is the family version of the other one.
Oh, okay. You know if there's water coming, so I can close my eyes.
I don't know, there's a little rapid.
Cover my contacts if I can't see.
There's a little rapid here. Oh, there's the first waterfall. I'm the one that's gonna get it first.
I don't know.
Oh, look at that, that's so cool. Look at this, look behind you, it's so cool.
Oh my God.
Oh, more waterfalls. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Look at it, it's so cool.
Just go big or go home.
That's right. Oh my goodness, that was so much fun. Was it not?
Water in my contacts hurts.
Oh, sorry.
It takes a minute, but when you wear contacts, you know the pain. You know the pain at water
Oh
parks.
man, that's so fun.
Flush
That's good.
the
Fun
chlorine
little
water in
family
your
ride. It's
contacts.
pretty good. Definitely
That
go
was
sleep
good.
on it. It was fun. The theming's really good.
Okay, I can see it now.
Alright, well that was just the teaser. That was just the taste tester.
Okay.
I don't know where we're headed next. We're trying to find another raft slide. Because that was cool. It had double waterfalls. It had just all kinds of stuff. It was really fun.
It's 80
okay?
degrees and it's cold.
You're cold? Oh, come on. Ain't that cold?
I'm freezing.
Oh, it ain't that bad. The sun's good.
It's not
nice.
always 68. It'd be really terrible.
Ah, it's going to be great. Don't worry about it. This is so cool, though.
This is cool. This is fun.
Here's where you come out and you grab your raft, pick up your raft, and you go on. All right, Jess, you ready? They got really good tubes, I'll say that for sure.
Okay.
This looks fun. I'm excited to go down here and give this one a shot. See what it's like. You good with your tube? You want me to hold care for you?
Oh, I'm good.
All right.
To the sunshine.
I know, it's a little brisk. That's where we just were.
That's fun. That's really fun.
Look at the boat up there.
Oh.
I'm pumped. I love water rides.
I know.
I feel good now.
Yeah. I can't wait to get in the big wave.
Me either. Oh, it's so cool.
Screaming bloody.
Yeah. There's like bumps in the slides to make it feel like rapids. So it's going to be pretty wild to see how this feels going down, but it looks really cool. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Check it out. Oh. All the bumps. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm like backwards. Oh no. Oh gosh. Woo. So much fun.
How many bumps that thing had in it. Every time I came around the corner, was another speed bump with water flying. It was like,
I got it all. It was good.
oh my God.
That was so much fun. All right, I guess we'll try the blue one next.
Okay, let's see what the blue one has in store.
All right. We're on the tube slide number 2.
That's right.
These are fun. I like this park.
I love
I'm shocked. I wasn't sure what to think about this. It looks, in my opinion, the marketing looks terrible for it, but this place is awesome. Whee! The blue one is a lot more leisurely, but it's a lot of fun. It's still fun. Ooh, it's a leisurely cruise. It's fast. It's a lot faster, I'll say that. That's for sure. Oh my gosh, it's really fast. We're flying through here. Yay! Oh, heck yeah. This is fun. Oh, snap!
Probably do that.
We're gonna try at least one. Jessica normally isn't a big body slide rider, but
I used to be, like I could handle it, but now it's to the point like it's tearing up my back. Like I said, I'm telling you, hit 30. Things change.
this is crazy. You start in these all the way up here at the boat and you come flying out of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool. We're gonna give it a shot here in a little bit. We're gonna go do the raft slides first, the other 2 big ones, and then go from there. The theming is just legit. All right, we
Made
are
it to the Crusher Gusher.
the Crusher Gusher 5000.
That Mayhem Falls, it was like a 60-minute wait.
Yeah.
So I don't know if that's really true, but didn't look that bad. But
we'll find out in a little
I guess
bit.
the other Raft slide was 30, so.
Oh, this looks cool though. I think it's the one that's like the slide coaster stuff. It's got the jets in it. I've never ridden one of these yet to this day.
On the Disney cruise ship.
Yeah, so I'm excited to try these out. All right, guys.
Gusher.
We're doing it.
We think
really
these
fun.
slides are the same, all three of them,
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
I don't know.
Banana tree.
Super cool. Oh, I love the banana
Oh,
tree.
here you go. It's got some signs up here to what's what.
High thrill speeding water coaster.
Screaming and kids, so that's what we're going.
Okay.
We're going to the Coconut Crusher, your favorite.
You can do the pineapple plunger for double riders, coconut crusher, single and double, banana blaster, double riders. Nice.
Oh man! Check it out! What'd you think about that, Jess?
That was really fun.
That was cool.
I've never rode a water slide like that before. I wish it was a little bit longer. We did the extreme and it's not that bad.
Yeah.
So definitely we can like go for the extreme.
Yeah.
That was a lot of fun. It just shoots you down, launches you about 3 different times, and then you're back at the
It's
pool.
cool to have those little blasters that launch in. It felt like a roller coaster. It was pretty neat.
It was cool.
It's definitely worth a try.
Experience.
Yeah. Holy cow! Are you ready for this? Residual wave. Okay, Jess, tell everyone what happened there.
Trying to breathe. So that second wave, like I thought I could handle it better, so I braced for it. When it hit me, it completely flipped me over. I lost control of my whole body. I just went floating back up the shore. It blew my ponytail holder out, which was tied tight in my hair. Some person found it. Blew my sunglasses off. I couldn't find them, and then a little girl up here at the front found them. Oh my gosh, like my nose is like pouring burn. It's time to go to the lazy river. Like,
look at that wave! It's so big! I think it's like, that's the biggest artificial wave I've ever seen. Like, it's like dangerous. How's that even legal?
That's gonna be like all these little kids. Oh, that's enough right there.
Golly! Oh, look back here! Dang! That's crazy.
Oh my god, like I said, that thing is powerful. I don't know how these little kids are shooting.
I don't either.
I literally braced for solid impact.
Don't bring anything loose out here.
No, do not bring anything. I'm telling you, like I tried to hold on to everything. It literally, I did a flip on my side till I skinned up on the concrete. Like I said, my ponytail holder blew this tight button out, blew it out, blew the sunglasses off. Like, time to go to the lazy river.
All right, guys, we made it to the lazy river, barely.
It's the typhoon hit.
God, that was rough.
That's, like I said, that's an intense wave. Like, here,
that's
like,
insane.
Bloody murder scream.
Yeah.
I've never been to a wave pool like that.
Pretty wild.
Yeah, that's really, really crazy.
Yeah,
this is nice. It's
so, yeah, these kind of
the wave pool's warmer.
Leisurely ride. Well, maybe a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
but yeah, we're just gonna cruise.
Typhoon Lagoon, so,
yeah, I'm shocked. I've really enjoyed this park. Like I would spend money to come here. This is cool. If we got it for free, but I mean, I would pay to come here. It's nice.
Right. Yeah, me too.
Ow, my foot against the rocks. Can you give us a different direction? Away from the wall.
Why are you laying like that?
Because it's comfortable. Just my foot drags the wall over here. Oh, it's got concrete walls, so be aware of that. Skin up your legs. Alright, so not only is your lazy river not so lazy, they have these water shooters over here that people can spray you with. Jessica, don't take me closer! Jessica's aiming right for me to I'm gonna get smashed right here, no offense it is.
I'm trying to get you away from them.
Sure. Look at it, see? They got these right here. I know the sun makes it really tough to see, but
it's okay, I got us.
We're good. Look at him trying to spray us. Better luck next time. Oh, that's crazy. But they will get you, see? They can control them. They'll put it however they want. It's crazy. It's kind of cool. They've got this theme pretty well. They've got music and like jungly sounds, and then they got the Happy Days Cruise Line life raft over there. Uh-oh. Don't want to get stuck on there. I do want some Happy Days though. I'm always about that.
There was no survivors on the Happy Days cruise line.
No. Must be Carnival from the 50s. Just kidding. I love you, Carnival. Alright, Jess, are we ready for this waterfall coming up?
Absolutely not. My hair just started drying after I got plowed by that giant wave.
Oh, man. It's a big old waterfall into the grotto. It's so cool, though. Look at that. That is wicked. Alright. Jessica's got our fate in her hands. Yeah, we're gonna try. Oh, that's so cool. That's awesome. Oh no! Alright guys, I'm gonna go do the storm slides. 10-minute wait. We're gonna check it out, see how it is. Look really cool. Uh-oh. The slide is built into the rock. It's so cool. Alright, that one was fun. They're fast. Those things are really cool. You gotta check this out. And you're like in the middle of the rocks. It's really, really neat. So now we're gonna head off and do the Humma Hachupa Kumba Humma Wabba. So it's all in the dark drop slide. Won't be able to film on it, but we're gonna give it a shot and let you know how it is. That drop slide is so cool because you're pitch black, straight down, straight in. It was definitely wicked. Definitely got to try sucker. It's fast as I get out. And it don't hurt your back too bad, so that's always good too. Oh man, our day has come to an end here.
It all goes too fast. It's hard to believe we've been here 10 days already.
I know, but it's so today Typhoon Lagoon's legit.
Yeah.
Do not sleep on this little water park. I know it's about to get redone too, I think, but we really enjoyed today.
Yeah, don't miss out on the water parks. You know, you're always thinking all the other parks. They have great rides. Check out the water parks. Like I said, we still have Blizzard Beach that we have to check out. So at least something new for the next time to look forward to.
We seem to always catch something new, so it was a lot of fun.
Beautiful day. Tomorrow's gonna be a little cold for the people that come through, but really, really enjoyed it. I'm glad we came.
I had a good time. Yeah, definitely check it out.
Don't forget the day you're checking in. Like I said, your reservation is you get in for free. So
yeah, and the water slides are good, real fast. Lines were hardly nothing. We only waited
the
in a couple.
longest time we waited was the first one, probably 30 minutes.
Yeah, and then the theming is really, really good too. Like shockingly, for a water park user, not super really themed, but this one's really, really good.
Yeah.
So you gotta stay by, check it out, see all the different things they have. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, don't miss Typhoon Lagoon.